How to add a modern look to your dressing table. Hey everyone! Want to give your dressing table a modern update? Well, it's easier than you think. Here are a few simple ways to transform your vanity space. First, go for sleek, simple designs. Modern furniture is all about minimalism, so choose a dressing table with clean lines and simple shapes. Avoid anything too bulky or overly decorative. Next, stick to neutral and elegant colors. White, gray, and black are perfect for a modern look. You can add small pops of color with accessories like a vase, a plant, or a piece of art. Another great way to modernize your dressing table is by adding a statement mirror. A large frameless mirror or one with a geometric shape will instantly elevate the space. Don't forget about metallic accents. Adding metal touches like gold, silver, or matte black handles and legs can give your dressing table a chic, contemporary feel. To keep things neat, incorporate smart storage. Modern dressing tables often have hidden storage like drawers or organizers, which help keep everything tidy and looking sleek. Lighting is super important too. A minimalist table lamp or even some LED strip lights can create a clean, modern vibe in the room. Lastly, add a few simple decor pieces to personalize the space. A small plant, a stylish jewelry box, or a decorative tray will keep the look modern but still feel cozy. So, by making just a few simple changes, you can easily give your dressing table a modern makeover that looks fresh, clean, and chic. Thank you for watching. Like us, subscribe for more videos.